Self-study plays a very important role if you're preparing for any of the entrance exams. It helps you find your weak and the strong sections and help you work on yourself. With best self-preparation, you can score good and make sure that you end up with a seat in the top college. So hello guys and welcome to Manure Education. Are you preparing for MBA entrance exams for the year 2023 or 24? You want to score good and secure a seat in top B school, but you're confused and at the same time worried that how to proceed. Don't worry guys, and stay tuned in this video because I'll be showing you some of the best study materials or resources for MBA entrance, whether you're preparing for MBACET, CAT, XAT, SNAP or any of the MBA entrance exams, because the resources are specially handmade by our mentors. So let's start off with this video. But before we move on, we have already launched the batches for 2023 and 2024, where you get live and classroom sessions, you get books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, you get topic wise test, you get full length and sectional mock test, you will be added to a WhatsApp group, you get 10,000 plus questions to solve, you get a proper mentorship. And not only that, depending on the various colleges selection process, you will be prepared for the GD, VAT as well as the PI. With Manure Education, you can target CAT examination, MBACET, CMAT, TEST, SNAP, XAT, IIFT. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom session, you can visit our centers Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website www.manureedu.com for more information. Now let me take you to the official website of Manure Education and guide you about the self-study part. Alright, so this is the official website of Manure Education, manureedu.com. Click on Buy Online, click on MBA Entrance. Here you get various programs for your self-study preparations. The first tab is for full course. Click on Show Packages. If you're preparing for CAT examination, click on this program, click on View Details. You get 519 video lectures and 105 handouts. Your whole syllabus is covered under this. If you're preparing for MAT examination, click on View Details. Again, you get 385 video lectures, 102 handouts, and once again, the whole syllabus is covered. If you're preparing for NMAT, click on View Details. You get 358 video lectures, 55 handouts. The whole syllabus is covered. If you're preparing for SNAP examination, click on View Details. You get 356 video lectures, 60 handouts. If you're preparing for MBACET 2023, click on View Details. You get 366 video lectures, 60 handouts, and again the whole syllabus is covered. If you want to prepare for CMAT examinations for the year 2023, click on View Details. 484 video lectures you get, 100 handouts you get. Again the whole syllabus is covered under this. If you want to prepare through only books, you can do the same. Click on Book Study Materials package, click on Show Packages. You get various kind of books over here. If you're preparing for non-CAT examinations other than CAT examinations for any of the MBA entrance exam, if you're preparing, click on this package, click on View Details. You get quantitative aptitude, English, reasoning, data interpretation as well as general studies. This set of books is for the hard copies. If you want to order it, simply click on Add to Cart and it will get delivered to you within 7 working days, pan India level. If you're only focused for the MBACET and want to order the books for the MBACET, click on this package, click on View Details. You get quants, reasoning, English and data interpretation. Again, it's a set of hard copies books. If you want to prepare through only ebooks and you don't want the hard copies, you simply have to click on this package, click on View Details. You get quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, English and general studies. Once you order it, it will get activated immediately. Also, if you want to prepare yourself for a particular subject like quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English or even general studies, so these set of books are for you. These are the set of ebooks. Again, if you want to order it, you simply have to click on Add to Cart and it will get activated immediately. If you think you are weak in a particular section and you want to work on it, simply click on Sectional Courses, Show Packages, scroll down. Here are the programs for the 2023 examination. If you think you are weak in maths or cons, Simply have to click on this package, click on view details, you get 195 video lectures and 28 handouts. If you want to work on your DI, DS and DC, click on view details, you get 23 video lectures and 4 handouts. If you want to work on your English and verbal ability, click on this package, you get 59 video lectures and 11 handouts. Struggling with the logical reasoning, click on view details, you get 129 video lectures and 24 handouts. And the most important one is the GK and the current affairs. Click on view details, you get 119 video lectures and 50 handouts. If you're just planning to start off your preparation, I would suggest you to start your preparation by giving a mock. Click on mock test, show package. Here you get 3 different packages. Choose any of the package as per your convenience and start with your first mock, because the first mock will give you an idea how to proceed with your preparation. So our target should be very clear. It doesn't matter if you're preparing for CET or CAT or any of the MBA examination, we have to end up with the top 10 B schools. So once again, if you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for online and live classes, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.